Hey everyone, in this 2025 Delivery Go guide, I'll show you how to change your bank details so your payouts go to the right account. First, open the Deliveroo Rider app or go to the Deliveroo Rider portal on your browser. Log in using your Rider account credentials. Once you're in, tap or click the menu icon. Then go to Payout Settings or Bank Details. Here, you'll see your current account information. Tap Edit or Change Bank Details. Now, enter your new bank account number, sort code, or IBAN, depending on your country. Double check everything carefully since Deliveroo sends payments based on this info. After reviewing, tap Save or Confirm to update your details. You might be asked to verify your identity or confirm through email for security. And that's it, your Deliveroo bank details are now updated. Your next payouts will go straight to your new account.